Hello friends, I am KK Singh, Google Certified Educator Level 2. So today I have brought a function, filter of Google Sheet. As you know, Google Sheet filter function used to filter the records or filter the rows from the particular sheet. So how to filter records from the sheet and copy it to another sheet. So how to use this filter in this regard. So I'll give you the demo on this. So let's get it started. So see there is a sheet. This is the sheet having the rows of different classes, students of different classes and marks and different subjects. What I am going to do here, I am going to filter all those records of a particular class. For example, I am going to filter the records of class 12th and copy them to a new sheet, and for that I will have to apply filter function, and moreover I'll apply sort also on the filtered data. For that I'm going to create a new sheet here. To create the new sheet I'm going to click plus sign, so this will add a new sheet, and this is the complete empty sheet. What I have to do here, I will have to copy the header which is on the source sheet. So header is this. From this place to this place I'm going to copy, and this way I have copied the header and paste it here like this. So header is there. So I have copied the header from the source sheet, and I'm going to rename this, and after renaming the name I take it as say class 12th. So this is the new sheet, and I have to copy the or filter the records of students of class 12th. So we have records of various records of different classes, and I have to filter only 12th class records or 12th class students and copy it to another sheet. So how to filter it? Just see. So we are on the target sheet, and on this cell A2 I'll apply the filter formula is equal to filter, and after filter you will have to give the range. So what is the range? So range we will pick from the mark sheet. So this is the sheet, the resource sheet. So I am going to select the range. This way I have selected the range, and after selecting the range I will have to apply a condition. So I'll put comma here. So comma is inserted, and it says what is the condition. So for condition, since we have to take the or we have to filter the data from class 12th, so class 12th column or for condition I have to choose class, and class is available on column number A. So select the data for this column. So data is selected. A1 to A11 is the range for condition, and to apply a condition I will have to put equal sign or the relational operator, and since I want to select the records from class 12th, so write 12 here, and after inserting 12 you can close the parenthesis, and here I see there is an error. What is the error? I can't say. I think this is the error. No, this is not the error. This is the error. A1 to A11 and marks, and filter marks. A2 and condition is okay. Then what is the problem? So here it is showing some problem. So I think problem is here. Problem is here. So this way my records are filtered from the resource sheet. This was the sheet, and from here I have filtered all those uh, records of the students who belong to class 12th. Right. Now, since I have to sort or produce this sheet on ascending or descending order, so I will have to apply sort function here. So write sort here, and this is the range, and after range I'll have to apply or select the column. So what should be the column? Since I want to sort these records in name column, so name column number is 1, 2 and 3. So third column is the name column, so I have taken 3. And since I have to produce in ascending order, so I will have to put 1, otherwise I should have taken 0 if I had to produce this sheet in descending order. So I am putting 1 here, and this way my records or filter data is sorted on name in ascending order. And as soon as I press enter, my records of this sheet are sorted on name in ascending order. So this is the feature of the filter key, or rather filter function in Google Sheet. How do you like it? I wanted to know. Kindly message if you like it, and any improvement or improvisation in this video if you want, kindly let me know. Until then, thank you.